Tommy hates tests. Stop animal testing.
Question 1. Who are the overpopulated invasive pests?
Smart and sweet rodents, deer or wildlife, insects, or human animals who have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife.
Question 2. Who should we test on?
Monkeys, dogs, rabbits and rats, volunteers, or violent criminals? D. Criminals or yourself, a-holes?
Question 3. Glue traps and poison bait are?
Cruel, animal abuse, kill all types of animals, or all cruelty-free makeup and products.